Hey Lily, I am here. Wait for me please.
Late as always. Here comes Zac the Great. Now, why don't you tell us your excuse for being late again today?
Well, when I moved out of my house, the little blue birdie came up to me asking for some directions. So, I just stopped a bit to guide her on the flight path she wanted to take.
Ha ha ha, very funny Zac. Now then, why don't you ask your blue birdie to tell us what we would be doing today?
Okay then. First of all, a very good morning boys and girls. Hope you are all cheerful and happy today. For today's session, let's start by looking at some adjectives using different colors. Adjectives, as you all know, are words that describe a noun. A noun could be a person, like you and me, or a place, like this lovely forest, or a thing, like your computer or phone.
Thanks, Zac. Nicely explained. Let me bring up a few words and sentences to make this clearer. First one. The green trees in this forest look very healthy. Here, the word green is our adjective describing the trees that are our noun. Another one would be, the sky is blue today. Here, the color blue is describing the sky.
Nice and simple, Lily. Let me add a few more on colors. Some very imaginative ones. Listen carefully. The purple hippo ate all my candy and flew far away. Ha ha ha. Another one before Lily shoots me. My silly pink dog chased an orange butterfly, but it only caught its own tail. Funny and imaginative, wasn't it?
That was some extra imagination, Zac. Very interesting indeed. I hope all of you got it. Now for today's exercise. Pick up a few objects around you and try and describe them through colors. You could use clothes, toys, or flowers to start with.
Okay then. Keep practicing and we shall be back with more adjectives and learning exercises very soon. Bye and have a good day.